How to mix Thinset mortar for tile. Step 1. Pour your water into your bucket and get your mixer ready inside of your drill. I'll be making a small amount, so I'll be using a small cordless drill. However, I recommend for a full bucket, use one of these powerful corded drills for more torque instead. I'll be using this Thinset that I got from Home Depot, but you can use any Thinset that's recommended for tile. Step 2. Take a sponge or a cup and pour a little bit into the empty bucket. Then pour a small amount of Thinset or cement into it. I recommend for a full bucket, mixing it in small portions at a time is just way easier.
I try to make our lives easier and more simple.
And that ensures that you have a nice mixture on the bottom. Step 3. Start mixing it around and add more water as you see fit. What I mean is, if it's too dry looking and falling apart, then add a little bit more water. Depending on what you're trying to do, go for a smooth peanut butter paste type of mixture. Continue to mix and add water necessary. And if you add too much water, then add a little bit more Thinset. Here's what mine looks like. I made it for the seams on the cement wall in my shower, so I didn't want it to be too running. For the floors, you may need to add just a tiny bit more because the subfloor will absorb some of the water as you work with it. So you don't want it to be dry and then the subfloor dries it out even more. Here's what it looks like working with two different size trowels. It is also recommended that you let it sit for a few minutes before starting to use again. Then you're ready to use your Thinset. Check out how I installed tile in this bathroom next.